On this video, I'm going to do a voiceover. Sometimes I forget to talk in some of my videos or the background's terrible. So for this hot tub here, we have, it's flashing from 125 to OH. It's just not heating up. The click is just the customer turning the power off. So this is how you want to take that sensor out for the Gecko spa pack.
Okay, turn it back on.
And he's going to turn it back on here in a second. Now without the temp probe, it's just going to heat up. Right now the water's pretty low, so I'm just checking it for errors.
Okay, turn it off. All your information is right on this tag.
Thanks for watching, but hang on. The next hot tub has a heater sensor issue, but a different code. Here we have an Arctic Spa. Now, PR is normally just purge, it's no big deal. But this one has that little extra R on it.
So we got a Gecko M Spa, and we got that code that won't come off. The purge is just it's a programming. So it indicates online that its sensor's unplugged. So I'm thinking that some mice must have chewed one of these sensors. So check all your wires, especially this gray stuff here. Mice and other rodents will chew this stuff. So look everywhere. Well, I can see it right there. So our temp probe to our tub is all chewed up. Oh, there's our sensor right there. So chewed up. We got to replace that, and it goes back into the tub underneath there. We got to get to that too. So we unplugged our sensor. Now these tag, all your information should be on this tag right there. There's the part number right there. It's a high limit probe, so if you have to order it, there it is right there. Put the new sensor in, we just turn the power off, and then put the new sensor in, turn the power on, it just resets itself.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.